Right, so you're looking for an auto-blogging tool. Just go to tryjournalist.com, log in, scroll down to Autoblogs, click on Create New Autoblog, and once you're here, just select how many articles you want the AI to generate and publish every single month, week, day, 12 or 6 hours, then click Create New Autoblog. And what's going to happen is you're going to be connecting the AI with your site, and in this case, every 12 hours, 80 blog posts will be published to your site on autopilot. Now, there's a lot of nuance here, so you might be wondering, okay, what's my site, what are blog posts about? Let's just dive deep into that thing right now. So first things first is, what's my site? Now we can connect and we can automatically publish to a bunch of different CMSs that can be WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, or if you want Zapier or an external API, okay? So this is where you can automatically post to. Now, what are the articles about and how do they look like? So if I go here to history, and I'll show you here an example of an article that I've generated in the past. This is an article in the gardening niche. Again, this AI works for any niche, and these are all done with AI. From the featured image to the proper table of contents, the article structuring with in-article images, links to other articles of ours, links to authoritative sources in the niche. So these are external links, these are internal links, bullets, tables, quotes, in-article images, more links, and also in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about. Again, this is all done with AI. I can skim through these ones. I can just click here to post them to my site one by one. Or if I want to publish them all at once, I'll click here, publish auto integration, and all 6 will be published to my integration. Now, of course, you're here for an autoblog, so you're here for automatic publishing, right? And generation. So what you do is you go here to generate articles and click on create new preset. Now, this is the input. Let me call this my autoblogging preset. Now, again, this is the input you give to the AI, right? For example, if you're using ChatGPT, the input is, hey, write me an article about this, right? In this case, for journalist AI, this is the input. So you give all this, and then you click to generate, and the article is going to be generated based off of the info you put here. So the info here is, do you want your articles to have videos? If so, enable this. Do you want them to have images? If so, enable featured images, enable in-article images. You can choose also AI-based images. So if you do choose them, you can add prompts right here. You can play around with this. Add external links, add internal links, add structuring, add formatting. You can even connect this to the web so that the content is up to date. Connect your brand. So if you connect your brand right here, the content that we're able to produce, because your brand is made out of assets. An asset is your site, an asset is your link. Then these are all brand assets. Any text documents you have, any audio documents you have, these are all brand assets, right? Assets. And when you connect the AI with your brand, the AI is able to produce brand-tailored content using your own brand's mannerisms, your brand tone of voice, your brand's essentially writing brand-tailored content, which is pretty cool. Not that generic AI ChatGPT type of content. Speaking of content, you can write content in over 150 different languages, right? So you can have an autoblog in Portuguese, an autoblog in Spanish, an autoblog in English, right? You can play around with this. Select the country, select the creativity level, select the tone of voice, select the point of view, select the formality, select even add custom instructions, or force certain keywords to be included in your articles. And the generation, you can generate content based off of keywords, titles, descriptions, or off of a keyword monitor, which, by the way, real short here, a keyword monitor is where if you add your site, add your country, add your language, the AI will give you a list of keywords that you can target. So we can have the AI take these keywords and then generate content based off of them. So once you're ready, just go to Autoblogs, new Autoblog, select here the preset that you just created, name this whatever you want, right? Select how many articles you want to post, generate starting post every single day, select your integration, and then you're ready to go. So essentially what this does is you connect the AI, right, with your site, and it does the keyword research for you. So it finds out, okay, what keywords am I going to be producing content for? Then it generates the content for you based off of these keywords. Then it automatically publishes to your site. Now, on top of that, it also indexes it on Google, so you can set up an indexer, so as soon as the posts are published to your site, right, they're automatically indexed in Google. And on top of that, you can go here to social media automation, and as soon as the blog posts, the individual blog posts are posted to your site, we can have them automatically syndicated to all your social media platforms. LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, which is now called X, right? Essentially, the Autoblog is all this ecosystem, not just the automatic posting and generation, it's the generation based off of the keyword research, the actual generation, the posting, the indexing, the social syndication, all this on autopilot. And of course, all these individual blog posts will be interlinked between each other in a way that makes sense. They're going to have images, they're going to have videos, they're going to have bullets, tables, quotes, they're going to have external links, just like the ones that I showed you before. So this is how you do it. Again, go to tryjournalist.com, sign up, click Autoblogs, and get going.